Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a book cover using Midjourney AI. I don't have credits or anything here, but you're just going to type in the description of the book cover. So for instance, like the style of the book and what you want on it, and also the colors that you'd like, as well as the genre of your book. You're just going to put it in create. Unfortunately, again, I cannot do that, but again, you're just going to do colors, theme, and the genre of your book, and maybe like a specific kind of drawing that you want to add to the cover of your book. And then for the titles and stuff, you're just going to bring it to Canva or other any apps, and you're going to type in the title of the book. That is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.